The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drone releases in recent years. For fans of lightweight drones, it's not just an upgrade, it's a potential game changer. DJI has consistently led the compact drone space, and the Mini 5 Pro looks like it will continue that trend. While it hasn't been officially launched yet, early leaks and rumors paint a detailed picture. What we're looking at could be the most advanced sub-250-gram drone the world has seen so far. Let's start with the release timeline. DJI has a reliable history when it comes to launching its Mini series. New models usually arrive every 12 to 18 months. The Mini 4 Pro came out in late 2023, so the Mini 5 Pro is expected to make its debut either at the end of 2025 or early in 2026. This launch window makes sense for a few reasons. First, it allows DJI to time the release with the holiday season, always a smart move. Second, it aligns with travel planning in early 2026, which is perfect for content creators, vloggers, and adventure seekers who want a fresh tool for their journeys. Now let's talk pricing. If DJI sticks to its usual strategy, the base kit will come in just under $1,000. That would likely include the drone and a standard remote controller. For those who want more accessories, like extra batteries, propellers, a charging hub, and possibly the upgraded RC to remote, a Fly More combo could be priced around $1,199 or slightly higher. Even at that cost, the Mini 5 Pro is still far more affordable than many full-size drones, while offering features that are almost on par with professional-level gear. It's the kind of pricing sweet spot that attracts both serious hobbyists and working creators. One of the most exciting upgrades rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. DJI might finally move up to a 1-inch sensor, or even something larger. This would be a huge leap over the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A bigger sensor means better light capture. That translates to better dynamic range, crisper detail, and clearer footage in low-light conditions. Whether you're filming a sunset, a city skyline, or a forest at dawn, the footage will look more vivid and cinematic. The lens might get an upgrade, too. Rumors point to an f1.7 aperture or possibly even a variable aperture system. A variable aperture lets users adjust exposure levels manually or automatically depending on lighting conditions. This feature is especially useful when the lighting changes mid-flight. Imagine flying from a bright open field into a shaded, wooded area. Instead of your footage becoming too dark or too bright, the Mini 5 Pro could adjust settings in real time for smooth, balanced video. Speaking of video, the expected specs are very impressive. We're likely to see 4K video at 60 frames per second, with HDR support and 10-bit color. That means smoother motion, better highlights and shadows, and more vibrant footage overall. Color grading in post-production will be easier and more effective thanks to the increased bit depth. Whether you're filming nature, action shots, or real estate, this drone could give you stunning professional results straight out of the camera. DJI is also likely to push AI even further in this model. Image processing and scene recognition could help the drone detect what you're shooting and adjust its settings automatically. Landscapes, people, animals, and action scenes might each trigger different behavior from the drone, all without you needing to adjust anything manually. Auto-framing could be smarter too. The drone may track your subject more intelligently, keeping it in the center of the frame even when it moves unpredictably. Of course, a drone's design matters just as much as its camera. DJI has always managed to pack power into a small frame, and that doesn't seem to be changing here. Even with the added features, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay under the 250-gram mark. That means you won't need to register it in many countries, which is a huge plus for travelers. It also means you can fly more freely in many areas, especially for recreational purposes. To make this possible, DJI is likely using new composite materials. These are lightweight but strong, helping reduce overall weight while improving durability. The arms and hinges may be reinforced to better withstand daily wear and tear. The motors might be more powerful, but also more efficient, and the drone's body may be slightly more aerodynamic, allowing for smoother and faster flight. The foldable design is staying, of course, that's a fan favorite. But DJI may improve how it folds, making it faster to set up and easier to store. Expect stiffer hinges that feel more secure and gimbal guards that snap into place more reliably. These little upgrades make a big difference when you're in the field, especially if you're in a hurry to capture a fleeting moment. The remote controller may get a redesign, too. Leaks suggest improved ergonomics, better grips, textured surfaces, for added traction and more responsive buttons and sticks. These are small touches, but they make flying more comfortable, especially during longer sessions. Beginners will benefit from easier control, while experienced pilots will enjoy more precision. Let's shift to battery life, a constant concern for drone users. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature upgraded battery cells and smarter power management. With help from onboard AI, it could regulate how much power each part of the drone uses. For example, when the drone is hovering or cruising slowly, it might reduce motor output to save energy. But if wind picks up or the drone needs to climb, it will increase power only as needed. This kind of dynamic power allocation is something DJI has been working toward for years. The result? Flight times could exceed 40 minutes in ideal conditions. That's a major upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro, which offered around 30 minutes. An extra 6 to 8 minutes might not sound like much, but when you're capturing a perfect shot or trying to reach a location before sunset, it can be the difference between success and frustration. Charging is expected to get faster too. DJI might include a new charging hub with USB-C support and fast charging capability. A quick charge mode could give you enough power for a short flight in just a few minutes. For creators who work on the move, this is a big win. You'll spend less time waiting and more time flying. Another rumored upgrade involves thermal management. Drones generate heat, especially during longer or faster flights. The Mini 5 Pro could use new heat-dissipating materials or improved ventilation to keep temperatures in check. This would prevent overheating and protect internal components, extending the drone's lifespan and improving performance consistency. So far, we've looked at the hardware. But what really makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out is the way DJI blends technology and intelligence. This drone is shaping up to be more than just a flying camera. It's being built as a smart assistant in the sky, one that can help you capture better footage with less effort. Gesture control is likely coming back, and it's getting smarter. Raise your hand, make a frame with your fingers, or wave, and the drone responds. It can launch, land, follow you, or start recording, all without you touching the controller. This is perfect for solo creators, travelers, or vloggers who want to capture spontaneous moments without fumbling for buttons. We're also hearing that the Mini 5 Pro will include better object recognition. It might be able to identify people, animals, vehicles, and even objects like bicycles or boats. Once something is recognized, the drone can follow it, keeping it perfectly framed. Whether it's your dog running on the beach, your car driving through a mountain pass, or a friend biking down a trail, the drone follows smoothly, adjusting in real time, and this is just the beginning.